skin survival rules in hot weather, how to care for your skin when it is hot. That's what I'm going to talk about today. A few key quick tips. Number one, hats. Big ass brim hats. The best thing for your skin is to protect it from the sun. This is like me giving you carte blanche to go and spend money on the biggest hat wardrobe you can. Like, you need, ideally they say at least a 3 centimeter brim. Like, stop the sun from getting to your face to avoid pigmentation and all the issues of UVA and the wrinkles and anti-aging damage that it causes. So big ass hats. Next, sunnies. So when you wear sunglasses, obviously for most of us it's a fashion accessory now, but what will happen is here in your corrugator, you will naturally, it stops you frowning, stops you doing that, which will make a huge difference over time to you not getting big indented creases in between your brows. So pretty much that's also a good reason to go and buy lots of sunglasses. So we've got hats, we've got sunglasses, cover up. I mean, it's as basic as it comes. And if you remember back to your childhood holidays, if you had parents like mine, because obviously I'm fair, it would come to like lunchtime and they'd be like, t-shirts on in the swimming pool. Pretty much they were right. Few things to not use on your skin in the sunshine. So in the daytime, if you use acids, so alpha hydroxy acids, anything that's got AHAs like your glycolic acids in, ideally none of those are meant to be used in the sunshine, so I would get rid of those. And then clearly suntan lotion. Nothing is a true block, nothing is truly water resistant. You need to watch the videos that we're going to make about physical and chemical sunscreens and which ones to use, which are more natural. So you need sunscreen on, you need to reapply it, you need to keep layering it over the top. That one I suppose is relatively obvious, but an absolute necessity. For us, it would always be a minimal physical sunscreen. Go to that video and watch it. And last one, drink loads. Like massive hydration from the inside, massive hydration from the outside. At nighttime, make sure you're plowing in your moisturizer. Things like sodium hyaluronic, which is hyaluronic acid. Drink the water, drink coconut water, cut out all the caffeine. Top tips of how to look after your sun in the hot weather. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, please give it the thumbs up, pass it on to anyone you know who lives in a hot country or is heading off, or frankly, as it is in the UK at the moment, is just enjoying our blissful sunshine as well. And look at those sunscreen vids for me as well, and I'll see you soon.